Welcome to Pro Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. If you love cars and want to stay updated with the latest models, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a modern take on the classic French icon that captured hearts for decades. The 2025 Citroën 2CV stays true to its original philosophy of simplicity, efficiency, and affordability while incorporating cutting-edge technology and modern comforts. The exterior design pays homage to the classic model with its rounded shape, minimalist bodywork, and signature corrugated hood. However, Citroën has modernized the look with LED lighting, aerodynamic enhancements, and lightweight materials to improve efficiency. The compact size remains, making it a perfect city car, but with a refreshed appeal suited for modern roads. Under the hood, the 2025 2CV features an all-electric powertrain, ditching the old air-cooled engine for a zero-emission future. The electric motor produces around 80 horsepower, which may not sound like much, but it is more than enough for urban driving and short trips. With a lightweight chassis and optimized aerodynamics, the 2CV offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The battery pack provides an estimated range of 180 to 200 miles on a full charge, making it practical for daily commutes. Fast charging capabilities allow an 80% charge in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Inside, Citroën has embraced a blend of retro charm and modern technology. The dashboard features a simple yet functional layout with a digital display, minimalist controls, and a comfortable driving position. The seats maintain their original hammock-style inspiration but are now enhanced with modern materials for improved comfort and durability. Connectivity features include a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, wireless charging, and voice commands, making it convenient for tech-savvy users. Despite its compact size, the interior is surprisingly spacious, with ample headroom and a practical cargo area that makes it more versatile than it appears. When it comes to safety, Citroën has equipped the 2025 2CV with essential driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear parking sensors. While it may not have the high-tech driver aids of premium models, it provides enough safety features to ensure a secure driving experience. Driving the new 2CV is a nostalgic yet futuristic experience. The lightweight construction and instant torque from the electric motor make it agile and fun to drive in city environments. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps effortlessly, just like the original model was designed to do on rough rural roads. Steering is light, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Overall, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a perfect blend of past and future. It captures the essence of the original model while embracing modern advancements in electric mobility, safety, and technology. It is an ideal choice for those who appreciate vintage design but want a practical, eco-friendly, and affordable car for urban commuting. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more car-related content, make sure to subscribe to Pro Auto Reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Citroën 2CV. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews.